Welcome back to Inside the Partnership. I'm your host, Sam Marraccini. This is where we take a look at everything EMC and Microsoft. It's TechEd 2012. I'm joined again by Adrian Simays.
Hey.
Adrian.
Hey.
Unbelievable. Platinum again. The booth looks phenomenal. It's as soon as you walk in. We've come a long way since last year, huh?
Boy, I'll say, yeah, this is great.
A microphone and everything.
I know, we're going big time.
So, before we get into the booth, because I definitely want to get into it, the keynote was this morning.
Yes.
Well, we made a little guest appearance, EMC did at the keynote.
We did, very early on. So, Microsoft was announcing their Windows Server 2012 that is soon to be released. And they talked about a new feature in Windows Server 2012 called ODX, or Offloaded Data Transfer. And ODX is essentially a new feature that allows you to take operations that are typically done on the server and would use server resources and offload them to a storage array. So in a demo, they demonstrated how to do a simple copy operation with a large 10 gig file. And instead of doing that over locally with the server and the processes, they offloaded that process to the storage, and it happened instantaneously.
So that's ODX. It's a feature of Windows Server 2012.
That's right.
It was demoed this morning in the keynote.
It was.
Let's take a look at that demo.
All right.
Awesome. Welcome to Orlando. This is a big, exciting show. Well, Windows Server 2012 is about making your business more agile. It's about making your data center more flexible and providing you the ability to extend your data center to the cloud securely on your terms. And then there's what we've done with SANS. Quite honestly, this is earth-shattering with Offloaded Data Transfer, or ODX. With Offloaded Data Transfer, Windows Server 2012 can leverage the native SAN array capabilities in your array. Let me show you. In this first example, I'm going to copy a 10 terabyte file from using non-ODX storage. Now you can see in this example, from CPU standpoint, I'm getting about somewhere between 35 to 40% CPU utilization. In terms of networking, you can see we are fully saturating Ethernet. We're getting about 78 megabytes per second. Not too bad, but in this case, the server is performing all of the copying. It's reading from the source and writing to the destination, reading from the source and writing to the destination. Well now, on split screen, let me actually copy the same file, 10 gigabyte file, using ODX-enabled storage. Now, make sure you don't look away. I'd hate it if you missed the demo here. Again, this is a 10 gigabyte file, and what are you seeing? You're seeing that I'm copying and getting over a gigabyte per second. I'm copying a 10 gigabyte file in 10 seconds. This is awesome ODX-enabled storage from our partners over at EMC. And by the way, there was no network utilization at all because this was leveraging the capabilities in the array. When you couple ODX with a bunch of our other enhancements in storage, virtual fiber channel, cluster enhancements for replication and synchronous replication, as well as a swath of other capabilities, quite simply, if you own a SAN, Windows Server 2012 is a no-brainer. It's really that easy.
The demo's awesome. 1 gigabyte a second. Come on.
Yeah, incredible. 10 gig file in 10 seconds.
That's amazing. And I love the reaction from the crowd, right?
That was huge.
That was the EMC on the keynote stage.
Yep.
It's great to see that happen, and that's for sure.
That's right.
Lots happening inside the booth. I know Choman's in the back. He has his private cloud back there, right?
That's right.
And you guys are talking about that later in the week?
We are. EMC is. So we've got a session on Wednesday, 10:15. We're going to be talking about EMC Private Cloud Fast Track. And I'll be posting a blog about this week as well on bwin.typepad.com.
Right.
Yep, it's all going to be about our EMC Microsoft Private Cloud Fast Track solution. We've got it here. There may be a monkey, maybe a turtle, something in it, but it's here on site, and it looks awesome.
Thanks, Adrian.
Yeah.
A press release two today, right?
Yep.
So the press release covered everything that's happening. I think another big thing is the Best of TechEd finalists, right? EMC's nominated.
That's right.
That's EMC's Avamar in the backup category.
Yep, backup and recovery category. So Best of Product, we'll find out Wednesday night if that wins, but it's just great to be selected.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So inside the partnership, look, I get here comes Karen. I got to grab her because yesterday yesterday we continued our sequel 2012 Diamond sponsorship.
We did.
So what was happening
and
yesterday?
It was in the Hilton, and we had a great turnout. And we co-presented with Microsoft and SAP on Mission Critical SQL Server. And thank you to Adrian for once again doing a stellar job. And we'll continue the work that we're doing in the SQL Server space with 2 customer webcasts coming up in June. And look to Sam's blog for more details on that. And there's a lot going on.
Awesome. Thank you so much. What an instant update. Oh, nice. So inside the partnership, thanks for watching. I have lots more coming from TechEd, including all of the 8 demo stations here.
8 demo stations. I'd say, I don't know, off the top of my head, probably 30 to 40 demos here. We have presentations. We have Microsoft specialists, product managers, product specialists, alliance specialists. So we have everybody here you could talk to.
So if you're here, stop by. I have the VF Cash stuff for certain, and Cash Gordon if you're interested in one.
And the giveaways, right? So we're giving away $500 a day.
Nice.
You don't have to be present to win. And then on Wednesday, right?
Wednesday's the bring your T-shirt back, right?
Yep. So wear your EMC T-shirt that we're handing out. We're going to do on the spot. If we see you walking around anywhere here, you could get $25 on the spot. And if you come to the booth on Wednesday night wearing your T-shirt, we're going to do a $1,000 giveaway.
Wow,
yeah.
$1,000. Be here Wednesday. You got to get here before that to get your T-shirt. That's a requirement to be a winner. Hope to see you there. Until then, thanks for watching Inside the Partnership.
All right,
Thanks, Adrian.
All right.